Yeah, morning punters, this is Mickey Blue again, Midvale. This morning we're going to show you a demonstration on our designed up checker plate box that we are mounting on the back of many caravans or on the drawbars of the vans, because for many years I had so many generators stolen, out free camping, even guys get their Honda stolen, their Yamaha stolen. So about a year ago we come up with this design. We've sold hundreds of them so far, but I'm starting to do a lot of product reviews. So seeing is believing, and you can see what you can get. Young Corey here beside me is going to show you this morning. This is obviously the enclosed box on the back of your van. You've now pulled over, you parked under the tree. The first thing you do is you raise up the air vents on the side to get the air in so the generator won't overheat. And then there's also a back flap for our generator to come off for the exhaust to escape. Now there's two different latches on these. As Corey will show you in the keys, there's a key lock, and there's also the normal key, and then you've also got the other one as well that you do for the side ones. Now if you have a generator that faces the opposite way, like the Honda or the Yamaha or so forth, we can also make the boxes to come off the other side. Also coming around this side is where you then put in your plug leads and you run them straight into your socket. Okay, now we're going to turn the generator on. What you might want to do is, before you get one of these, well, just go to Clark Rubber or Bunnings and get yourself some sort of plastic rubber matting or something, because they will vibrate a little bit, of course, because obviously it's a generator. We're now going to turn the generator on. Now this is a 4 kVA Mickey Blue, okay? The exhaust is going to escape. I'm going to walk away 5 metres. Now at night you can shut the lid. You can then run it in the box and it won't overheat in the box at all. And this is a remarkable idea. These are made in Mandurah. These are not out of China. They're $6.99 for black, $6.99 for pure white, or $5.99 for just silver. It's a very good idea. Really, the workmanship, the rubber seals in them to go off-road, which are fantastic. So you won't get any dust in there as well. And then when you're done, we'll turn the key off. Before you drive away, you can then lock it up again, leave it there, obviously on the back of your van or on the drawbar, and put the keys on your socket, and this one here just pushes in. How's that? Simple, easy. It's a brilliant design, and there's your keys. Now, another thing we've come up with is how are people going to install these on the back of the bar. The drawbar is easy, you can just text straight in, but sometimes the gas bottles are on the drawbar and you don't really want to have too much heat around them. So my builder has come up with this genius idea that you actually use this to mount onto the back of the caravan. And the generator box goes straight through the top. And I'll get Corey just to show you the little bit on here as to how you actually mount that on your bar. Just picture it, righto.
Right, so there's the actual bar mounting brackets. The back of this just mounts onto the back of the bar. Then you just install the back bars, and it installs onto the back of the bar of the caravan like so.
The U-bolt, yeah.
And then once that's installed, you go through and you get your tray. Your tray just then installs on the top like so. And you can adjust it to move to just to suit. And you have in here is your extra hardware where you have your bolts in here. I'll pull these out so you can have a better look. They're your bolts. They just go in the side here, that fix in there to mount your bracket securely. And then you have these here, these little latches, which then install onto your side of your box, which clip onto the edge of the tray there to keep it nice and secure and safe.
Wow.
And they're actually lockable as well, so you can put a lock through there so it keeps it all nice and safe and secure.
Brand new design. I mean, the box has been around now for, like I said, about a year or so, but this bracket system, so many people come and say to me, Mick, I love the box, but how can I install it on my van? So we went to our builder, and this guy is remarkable, and then he's designed this system. What sort of tools would you need for this, Corey?
Well, all you would need is a drill with a little drill bit.
Yeah.
So obviously, if you want to install these on the actual box themselves,
right,
all you got to do is drill it in.
Yeah, yeah.
And then just a few little spanners to tighten up the bolts.
Okay.
And that is it.
Okay. Oh, well, look, you know, there you go. Look, the system's about $350. Oh, Mick, that's dear, but that's the price. okay, because they're not made in China. This is good quality, and unfortunately that's the price. $350 for the bracket system with all the bolts and attachments. $699. So looking at about $1,049 if you want the lot and you want it in black. Obviously, if you want it in silver, it's going to be $100 cheaper because you don't have to powder coat them. Okay, and white, it's still $699 or $350. But it's a brilliant idea. If you ever sell your van and you want to buy another van, take this with you and put on the next van. There you go. So Mickey Blue Midvale, 92740661 is our number to call to place an order. Currently supply and demand, we are literally just running them out the door because no one's ever done this before. The hinge work is superb. I always inspect the people's work before we take on contractors, and this is really great. So this is a wonderful idea. Another quick thing before we go. This guy has just built me. Now this is a fridge slide that I put an angle in, but you can actually put this on a generator. This is for another customer's van. So this is the latest Mickey Blue fridge slide. I think we're doing these for about $320, which is even cheaper than the Engel badge. God love them. But these are made from the same builder. Very good quality. So you can actually use this to put my 4 kVA generator on that unit. Or you can actually name Mick, I just want it and I want to get an Engel fridge slide and I want to save about $100. So we're also now making these, and you can see underneath that's where you'd actually bolt it onto your tray or inside your cabinet or so forth as well, like or in a world body of a ute. Very, very good, excellent quality. And we're always out there to introduce new products all the time to save us as much loot as we can. But obviously I don't want to compromise on the workmanship, and that's why this guy's workmanship is just superb. And the way it's finished off, it's really very good. The welding, yes, and it's powder coated, not painted, as we said, so it doesn't peel off. Okay, yeah, get back to us, 92740661, Mickey Blue Midvale. Good morning, cheers.